Most remodeling contractors make the same expensive mistake when hiring a marketing agency. They choose based on pretty websites, polished sales decks, and promised lead volume instead of understanding how their business actually sells. And that mistake costs real money. Here's the hard truth: a $50,000 kitchen remodel does not sell like a $500 product. And a 6 month bathroom renovation timeline does not move like a same day service call. A whole home remodel does not convert a generic Facebook ad the same way a clogged drain or emergency HVAC repair might do. Yet a whole lot of remodeling marketing agencies still treat remodeling companies like every other home service business. They chase clicks, they count form fills, and they celebrate lead volume. But here's the deal: volume without quality is not growth, it's actually noise. Here's the thing: the traditional agency is a one size fits all marketing plan, plug and play. And that really doesn't work. Traditional agencies often sell the same playbook that they are using for plumbers, for electricians, for roofers, for HVAC contractors, and general home service providers, not to mention the chiropractor, the restaurant, and the bowling alley. The offer sounds familiar. They promise instant leads, they build generic service pages stuffed with keywords, they launch Facebook ads with broad before and after messaging, they publish cookie cutter blog posts about top remodeling trends that could apply to any contractor in any market. And that approach fails because remodeling is not primarily transactional, it is relational. And when a homeowner is considering a $75,000 basement finish, a $90,000 kitchen remodel, or a six-figure whole home renovation, they are not comparing 3 Google ads and clicking buy now. They are researching for months. They are looking at your website, your social media, your Google business profile, your videos, your testimonials, and your entire process. They are actually asking deeper questions. Will this contractor show up? Will they respect my home? Can they communicate clearly? Will they finish what they started? Can I trust them with one of the biggest investments I am ever going to make? Generic marketing agencies struggle here because they are built around lead generation activity, not remodeling buyer psychology. Here's what makes remodeling marketing different. Remodeling contractors face several marketing challenges that separate them from other home service businesses. And if an agency doesn't understand these realities, it will build the wrong strategy from the very beginning. Number one, you have extended decision cycles. Most remodeling prospects do not wake up in the morning, search for a contractor, and sign a contract by dinner. They gather ideas, they research costs, they talk with a spouse, they save inspiration photos, they ask neighbors, they compare options, they look for signs of professionalism. And for many remodeling projects, that decision cycle can stretch for 3 months to even a year or longer. And that means that your marketing cannot rely only on lead capture forms and paid ads. You need content, remarketing, email follow-up, project education, social proof, search visibility, and a website that helps the homeowner build confidence over time. And this is why a strong home remodeling marketing strategy for contractors matters. Because you're in a game of high stakes trust building. because that homeowner is not just hiring someone to perform a task, they are inviting a company into their personal private space. They may be living inside the construction zone. They may be handing over a significant portion of their life savings. And your marketing has to demonstrate more than a technical skill. It has to show competence, reliability, clarity, respect, and follow through. You also have to realize there is project complexity, and you have to be able to communicate through that. A furnace repair is easier to explain than a custom remodel. Remodeling projects involve design decisions, budget conversations, material selection, scheduling, permits, change orders, subcontractors, inspections, disruption, and emotional stress. And that means your marketing must educate before it sells. Let me help you understand something. Lead volume is actually the wrong scorecard. Many agencies still sell remodeling companies on the promise of lead volume. More leads, more calls, more form fills. Well, that all sounds good until the owner looks closer. How many of those leads were qualified? How many had the right budget? How many owned the home? How many wanted the type of projects the company actually wants to build? You see, lead volume is only useful when it is connected to quality, capacity, close rate, project value, and profitability. Now, here's how AI transforms remodeling marketing. AI-powered marketing solves one of the remodeling contractor's core challenges: scaling your personal expertise and trust building across your entire digital footprint. The best remodeling companies already have expertise. The problem is, most of that expertise stays trapped inside the owner's head, the estimator's conversations, and the project manager's job site experience. Here's where custom GPT becomes helpful. Because generic AI creates generic content, and that's just not enough. A remodeling company does not need another bland article about kitchen remodeling tips. It needs content that reflects its process, project types, service area, customer concerns, sales approach, and market position. And this is why custom GPT training can be a serious competitive advantage for you. Things like intelligent lead scoring. Not every lead deserves the same response. Some homeowners just aren't ready for a consultation yet. Others are still gathering ideas. Some are months away. And some just simply are not a fit for you. AI can analyze behavior patterns and help identify who is showing buying intent versus who needs to be in the nurture sequence longer. And then there is dynamic content personalization. Different homeowners care about different things. A visitor researching aging in place bathroom features is not thinking the same way as a visitor browsing luxury master suite galleries. And AI can help personalize the experience based on behavior, interest, and intent. And then you have predictive SEO and AI search readiness, because search is changing and homeowners are asking longer, more specific, more detailed conversational questions. And for remodelers, this connects directly to search dominance with artificial intelligence. When we compare AI versus traditional marketing, there is a better way for you to be measuring your results as well. So let's consider two kitchen remodeling contractors that begin their marketing journey at the same time. The first contractor is using the traditional agency approach. They hire a conventional marketing agency, they build generic Facebook ads, they run basic SEO, they write broad blog posts, and they report on monthly lead count. On paper, it looks active. There are clicks, there are impressions, and there are leads. But the owner notices a familiar problem. The leads are inconsistent, many are not qualified, some are outside the ideal project type, and the sales team spends more time sorting than they do selling. The second contractor is an AI-first marketing system. Contractor B builds an AI-supported marketing system around positioning, education, local authority, buyer intent, and lead quality. So their website speaks to different project types with greater precision. Their content answers real homeowner questions, and their lead nurturing sequences educate prospects over time. So they may generate fewer raw leads in number, but the leads are better aligned and better qualified. And that's the whole point. The goal is not to win the spreadsheet. The goal is to build a marketing system that produces profitable growth. So in choosing an AI-first marketing partner, you need to realize this. Not every agency claiming AI marketing understands remodeling. Many traditional agencies are simply adding chatbots, AI-generated blog posts, or automated reporting dashboards and calling that innovation. That's not enough. What you want to be looking for is remodeling-specific AI training. Ask how the agency trains its AI systems. Does it understand remodeling sales cycles? Does it understand project types? Does it understand homeowner psychology? Does it understand the difference between a handyman lead and a premium kitchen remodel lead? And then look for an authority building focus. Be cautious of agencies that lead with lead volume promises, because a strong remodeling marketing partner should be focused on authority, positioning, trust, education, and qualified opportunity creation. And then look for systems integration. AI marketing works best when it connects to the larger business system. That includes your CRM, website, content strategy, paid ads, email follow-up, sales process, project management tools, and client communication. And then look for local market intelligence. Remodeling is local, and AI should help sharpen local relevance, not flatten every market into the same message. And this is why local SEO for home remodeling contractors remains a critical part of your system. I also want to give you some red flags you want to avoid. An AI-first agency should be able to explain how its systems work in plain language. If the agency hides behind vague claims, you need to be careful. Agencies that cannot explain how AI is being used, that's something you need to avoid. Agencies that use AI only to reduce content costs, or agencies that promise specific lead numbers before understanding your capacity, market, close rate, or project mix. Agencies that publish large amounts of generic AI content without strategy. Agencies that don't understand remodeling sales cycles. Agencies that treat AI as a replacement for judgment instead of a tool for better execution. Agencies that do not connect marketing performance to revenue, profitability, and sales process outcomes. See, you want to create an authority advantage with AI. Because AI-powered remodeling marketing agencies do more than generate leads. They help build market authority, but they do it systematically. When your content consistently answers the questions that homeowners are already asking, you become more useful. When your website explains the process clearly, you become more trustworthy. When your follow-up sequence educates prospects over time, you reduce resistance. That's attraction marketing at scale. Here's the role of AI in the remodeling sales process. You see, AI does not remove the human element from remodeling. It makes the human element more scalable. Your sales team still matters. In fact, your project managers still matter, your craftsmanship still matters, your communication still matters, but AI can help make sure the right message reaches the right homeowner at the right time. It can answer early questions, identify serious prospects, create better educational content, automate the follow-up, and analyze what is working and reveal gaps in the customer journey. As we wrap this up, realize that better systems create better growth. The contractors who are winning in 2026 are not just looking for more leads, they're actually building better systems because they understand that remodeling marketing is not about chasing every trend, posting random content, or buying traffic without a clear strategy. It is about becoming the most trusted, visible, and relevant choice for the homeowners they actually want to serve. AI-first marketing can help remodeling companies do that faster and with greater precision, but only when it's guided by strategy. You see, your company already has knowledge, your team already has experience, and your past projects already prove your capability. The real question is whether your marketing system is turning that expertise into authority, trust, and qualified opportunities. If I can help you develop your strategy, if our team can help you develop your ecosystem and put AI to work to enhance what you're doing, schedule your remodeling growth audit with us. You can do that at remodelingmarketingteam.com/get-started. You can also call us at 888-350-7859. And as always, thanks for tuning in to this episode. I look forward to talking with you on our next episode.